Hi guys, welcome to my
Open.
YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing our washing machine.
Yeah. This is our washing machine.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Come on, come on, come here. Ayaw ko kawa ito. Siya.
Go there. Open your washing machine.
Okay,
No, let's open like this. Open up.
open.
This is our machine. Tell.
What?
This is our...
This is our washing machine.
Yay! Wow! That's your washing machine. Wow! Amazing. Wow. Look the camera. Wow. So,
So what you tell?
give me explain to your washing machine.
Hmm?
Is this fire?
What's that name?
This the inside the washing machine.
Wow.
This is for the dryer.
Wow.
We have a hose
Oh.
and a manual, washing machine manual.
Wow. Wow. She look like excited. Yeah?
This is
Yeah.
this is the dryer.
This is the dryer.
Wow.
Yung camera. Open the dryer.
So, ano po yung price?
We need to try a test.
Okay.
How much yan lang po?
Going to name the price.
Hindi. Sure. Wow. Are you happy?
Yes.
Wow.
We need to
Amazing.
try.
What?
We need to try the washing machine.
Wow.
Okay. Sure.
You try.
You see at the back. Ako magkamera rin. It's the back. Extension. Yan ito po yung wiring niya.
Tatlong mata.
Turn. This one there.
Yeah.
I think this one, yes, this one. Turn it.
Then.
Also. Yan po ang likod niya. Ito yung likod ng washing machine. It's good. Tell. It's good.
Is it good?
Saan mo lang good.
Okay. Now. Okay. Close. What is this?
This is the water selector.
And spin
Spin.
for put it out. Okay. Okay guys. Say bye bye.
Bye.